Hello, today I will show you how to make this effect. It's a particle effect that if you use the particle system integrated in Blender, you can get this easily too. But this time I will use the geometry node to create this. So you can check the nodes. Not so many, just a few nodes you can get this effect. And when I press space, you can see that. So let's begin. Let's go to Blender 4.0 and we will go to the geometry nodes and press new. Here the key to this effect is the simulation nodes. And we will connect it to set this basic structure. And we want particles to emit from this box, and we need to distribute points on faces, and we want the nodes to move along one direction, so we need a set position. Like we maybe go to the X direction, we will set 1, so we can check what happened. It's too quick, and we will need like a 0.2. That's okay. And there is only there's one short particle here, and we want more, so we need a join geometry and connect the points here. Then we will get many particles. So next step, we will need to like add noise. So we need another set position, and we will need a noise. Noise texture. We'll click the noise to the offset. Yeah. And you can see that it's going to this direction, only one direction. We don't want this. So we need a mass vector. Subtract. Where is subtract? Yeah, here. So you can see this. And we want the noise force to be stronger, so we need a multiply. Maybe multiply 5. And there are too many points here. We want to maybe delete the points, maybe like 10 seconds or 5 seconds. So we need we need to delete geometry. So how do we delete the extra points that we don't want? So then we will need to know the age of the point. How do we do that? So we will create a parameter. So we will store store named attribute. Here, time, and it's integer. First is 0, and we will need a named attribute. Connect to here, and this is integer, and apply. And here we will need to add the parameter. We need another store named attribute, integer. Every time we will add 1 here to the value. It's time. So we will check. And then we can use delete. How do we choose the points by the time? We will need a compare node. Compare. And we will delete the parameter that greater than some parameter. Name the attribute here. Connect to here, integer. Okay, integer. Connect to here. Look, this color, pink color, they're the same. They are just a selection color. All the pink color, they always mean the selection. So greater than, maybe I think 10. Let's try. Okay, it stopped, right? If we set 100, where is 100? Yeah, it stopped, right? So then I think I just wanted to make this simple. So if you want to make the effect better, you can add a noise, add other textures like the Musgrave, Verona, or others. But I just want to make it simple. I think that's enough. So here we just want to change it from 3D to 4D and scale like 2. Check this. Okay, like 1. Yeah, you can see that structure that it's not very obvious, but you can see that. So here we will add the frame, like divide 100 maybe. Let's check. Yes, can you see anything? Yeah, you can see anything. And here, the delete nodes, I want to delete the nodes very randomly, so we need a random nodes here. 0 to 100, maybe 50 to 100. So this is the basic structure. And here we will go to cycle and the GPU. We will save it, test. And we render, go to render, you will see something. This effect won't be the same as what I made, but it will be similar. And you can see it clearly. We need to set material, and we will need to add a material to it. So we'll go to shading. Okay, shading, right? You can see that effect, and we'll go to world. We don't want any world light to affect this. We just want to see like this. Go to object, and here I will tell you that there is a particle info node that we use when we use the integrated particle system in Blender, but it don't work here. See? It just won't work. You can see it change sometimes, but it's not the effect that we want. Go to index. See? Red. Anything? All of them is red. And the random it's just always keep one color. I will change it to green. It won't change. And the edge just green, no other color. The lifetime just green. Just choose the first color. And the location, yeah, first color. Size, velocity, angular velocity, just like this. So we can't use this. We will delete it. And what I did is to make it glow. This is not okay. We will remake it. So we go to geometry nodes, and first the particle is very big. I forgot something that if you render this like you can render this. Just no need to add an instance here. If you want to like instance some box or other things, you can use the instance, but the sphere is okay for me. Here we can set point radius here, and we can change it to, yeah, it's smaller. And here I will use random. No, not this. We have random. Yeah, here. We will set this value to 0.1 and 0.5. Oh, this is integer. We change 0.01, 0.005 like this, and link it there. They're very small, and we need to change the color, but the particle inform nodes is not working in the cycle. So we need to set a value by ourselves. So store named attribute. This node is very useful. I will use the velocity. I will set a velocity. And here, this node, I will see this node as the velocity here, and change it to velocity. Okay, link that. We'll go to the shading. We will need the attribute the color. Ramp. Yeah. So we can change the color. Look at this. And I think I want the strength to be bigger, like 5. You can see that my computer is my laptop is not that powerful, but I think you can see this. The color changed. Maybe we can add more color. Here we will use ramp to set the color. Any color you want. You can set the color here to choose the selection, like this. And here we can have more points to make it beautiful. It's like 1000. Let's try. Okay, we will not go to the shading. Let's just wait. Then render like this. This is not very beautiful, I think. Just need to tweak that. This is like a galaxy, maybe 1000 is too much. Maybe 100. And here, where delete. We need time to be. We need more particles in this. Maybe 100, 200. Okay, like this. Just tweak them. You will get the effect. Maybe we can set this like this, and more particles. Press space. I think maybe I need to lower the speed. Okay, I think this looks okay. This is beautiful, I think. Color is beautiful, and you can tweak the color. I use the velocity. You can use the others like the particle info nodes. You can set them by yourself, like the I set the velocity, and you can use the time, use the duration, use the position, whatever you want. So this is the do I need to render this again? I think it's good. Okay, this is what I wanted to share today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.